Welcome to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this isometric yoga sequence designed to build strength. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so we're going to start by doing a couple of warm-up poses. So let's start by coming into an extended child's pose, knees as wide as the mat, big toes touching behind you. From here, just walk your hands out long in front of you, letting your forehead rest in the mat. So in this pose, really breathing into the shoulders and the back body here. On your next exhale, shift forward. We'll come into a high cobra. So stacking the hands underneath the shoulders, fingers are spread wide, extending the legs along behind you, and basically just pushing yourself up, opening up the heart, opening up the chest, keeping that core slightly engaged. On your next exhale, let's curl the toes and we'll come up into downward facing dog. So this will be our first isometric pose. We're going to hold it here for 30 seconds. But first, let's find a nice foundation. So again, let's keep our fingers spread wide. Hands are actively pushing into the mat. You can pedal out your feet here initially, just waking up the backs of the legs. And then when you're ready, let's find a nice neutral position, and again we'll hang out here for about 30 seconds. On your next exhale, simply just shift forward. We'll come into a high plank. So this will be our second isometric pose. We'll hold here again for about 30 seconds. On your next exhale, come on down to the forearms. We'll come into a forearm plank, holding here for 30 seconds. On your next exhale, come back up into high plank, holding here for 30 seconds. I'm feeling it already. On your next exhale, come back into downward dog, holding here for 30 seconds. Exhale, lower down onto the knees. Awesome job, you guys. Woo! I'm feeling that. So now we'll come into our next isometric pose. We only have a couple left here. So come into all fours. Again, let's find our nice foundation. Hands underneath the shoulders, fingers are spread wide, knees underneath the hips, tops of the feet are pushing into the mat. And now from here, simply place all the weight on the tops of the feet so you lift your knees up so you're hovering. And we'll hold here for 30 seconds. Exhale, release. Awesome job, you guys. If you need some water, by all means, take some. From here, we'll make our way onto our bums and we'll extend our legs out long. So we'll come into our final isometric pose here. So in this position, let's plant the hands down in the mat right beside you. Hands underneath the shoulders. And now from here, lift the hips up, point the toes. We'll come into an inclined plane. So it's kind of like a reverse high plank. And in this pose, imagine you have an orange or an apple in between your chin and your chest. So you don't want your neck dangling, you want it nice and straight. Exhale, lower down. Whew. My arms are feeling that, and that wraps up this short little isometric yoga practice. From here, let's come into a seat of your choice. Let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.